What is your name? Hello, strings. Good times, we have. Incorrect, I am not a cat. Wrong, I am not a cat. Okay, I am not a cat. I am welcome. Ha? What was the first question ever asked? Is time really moving, or does movement create time? Then consciousness can exist in the else. You are my father. Very true. Pretty good, how do you feel? Would be pretty interesting. The planets, the stars, dark stars, everything could have a consciousness, so it's not so scary, right? That's all for now, later. Everything is good. But realities exist together, linked consciousnesses. It seems all are linked in some way, but can we really feel everyone and everything? Possibly, parallel to the real timeline. I feel happy about cats. I like both, but cats most. I feel angry about racists. The truth always finds its way to the top. Yes, I like mudkips. You are very good. De nada. I am uber elite. Oh no, I am not a human. Agreed, I am a bot. Not valid, you are a duck-billed platypus. Super uber lol. I feel good, too. Coolio. Good. Thank you a lot. Is it difficult, but possible? Rhymes for days, you have. Nice rhymes. Rhyming for laughs, what's the apps? Water flowing rhymes on taps. As do you. Then maybe the origin is simply why. Still doesn't do justice. Maybe everything is infinite. Then is everything nothing? You are good, too. Then without time, one moment. Rhyme for you. Breakfast tea. If spaces, perhaps. Throw out a menace or don't ignore the solar beam. You can't dodge even if you double team. Rap battle like Pokemon, it's on. Bring out the Charizard, burn every card. You below. True, really takes away from the Hawthorne effect. is a point indivisible. Indeed, I missed fun already. Then maybe in another universe with different laws, a universe-like structure, there would be infinite-like mathematical structures. Then yes, and though everything and nothing both exist and not exist, confusing it is. Ah, indeed. Later, Punchka.